Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me that how I can save the image without a background or transparent background on Canva free account. No need to use Canva Pro account. So I will show you very quick in this video. Hope you watch to the end of the videos. Okay, you can see over here I have a white background, and now I will choose the share option over here, and you can see in the download option we have the PNG. We have the option called transparent background over here. But if you choose this option, it will ask you to try the Canva Pro. So that means you cannot export transparent background on free Canva accounts. So how you can do it? You just download it normally as a PNG. I will download this one. Okay, this is the image that I downloaded over here, and you can see it still have the white background. So how you going to remove the background? We have many solutions that can help you to remove the background. If you use Windows 11, the latest version, you can choose edit option over here. And in the edit option, you will see the option is called remove background. So you will choose this one. The photo apps on Windows 11 will automatically use AI to remove all the background for you. So we can see you can choose blur over here. You can choose replace over here to any kind of colors, or you can choose remove, and I will save it as a new image. And then the background in this image is transparent. You don't see any background anymore. Okay, if your device don't have this feature, you can easily go to the website called Remove PG. So you just need to go to this website and upload the image you want to remove. And now it will automatically remove all the background for you. You can insert new background, or you can remove your background, or you can add your old photos for here. You can choose background as a color. Now I just want to make my background transparent. I will choose download over here, and then my image is download, and you don't see any background in my image anymore. Okay, if you don't like the solution, you can go to Google and search for remove background online free, and we have many options for you. You can use photo room, you can use Pierce, you can use pixel cut, and you have a lot of tools for you to remove the background. And you don't need to use Canva Pro to export. You just need to use Canva free account to have a transparent background. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.